if umusha la ngafunda eUKZN for isikhathi esithe usixoxa ngahamba ngasebenza ku Department of Health ngaphinda manje ngenza PhD eLondon Metropolitan University, so iyona introduction yami leyo. I've been academia from undergraduate to MSc, now I'm doing PhD, so I've done the whole academic journey. Hopefully I can complete the last one. So over those years, that's where I've accumulated a lot of experience in terms of how to perform optimally. Ulala kanjani zonke lezo zinto lezo ngoba mina topic yami today was to sleep. So it's a combination of real life experience and research. Sikuhlanganise sibone ukuthi what are the things iziphi izinto unga-implementa wena today for you to sleep optimally. So the things that we're going to cover zilula kakhulu mfethu. So qala ngokuthi if ulala, there are things they babizwa ngokuthi ama-sleep stages. Ama-sleep stages ilento engizama ukuyisho ukuthi awuvele ucimeze then umzimba wakho uyarest. Khona ama-stages ekumele umzimba wakho during rest iwashaye. Yabo mangase uzowenza kahle lawo ama-stages lawo, that's when uzovuka kahle ke uvuke rested. That's why abanye abantu bathi mina ngifunctiona kahle mina mangilele 6 hours. Hayi mina ngifunctiona kahle mangilele 7 hours kanjalo because it's not the total number of hours, but it's about ukuthi ama-sleep stages when we are sleeping wenza kanjani, yabo. That's number 1. Number 2, enye into mhlambe engicabanga ukuthi ngesingayinaki futhi ukuthi when udla nini, yabo, ngoba there's nothing more detrimental ekulaleni kwakho. And masikhuluma ngokulala la thina asikhulumi nge-quantity, sikhuluma nge-quality ukuthi mhlambe let's say now usuthenga lama-watch lawa akutrack-ayo ukuthi okay namhlanje ngilale kanje, this was ama-stages engiwashayile, and lokho ku-right or ku-wrong compared to ama-reference values, because baningi abantu abenza u-research kwindaba yokulala for health, uyabo. And one of those organizations ibizwa kuthiwa i-American Sleep Association. They do a lot of these things, but you don't have to read all of that, because that's why ngenza le video leyo, so that ungathatha yonke information ongayithola in one place, yabo, without you going through tons of research papers. And then nakhona there's nothing worse futhi than usulele kamnandi like ngibuke my watch uthola ukuthi usuwashaya wonke lama stages lawo, just when mhlambe usuwashaya stage 4 okulala iblood yakhe vele is high, no usifuna ukuchama manje, and then usuya sokuchaza ukuthi nakhona the way you take in liquids as well kuya counter ekutheni uzokwazi ukwenza wonke lama stages okulala esikhuluma ngawo. Then i-coffee, obvious ngelisala i-coffee ngoba nina angazi nami lento isingenze kangaka ukuthola ukuthi sengifuna ukulala but akusalaleki, and then ngicabanga ukuthi hawu kanti ngenzeni ngempela, and then I realize ukuthi ngiphuza i-coffee later than mhlawumbe esikhathi ngijwayele ukuphuza ngayo. Khona abanye abantu engibaziyo uthola ukuthi makwaphuza i-coffee inhliziyo yakhe vele ishaye fast, akalalo ngempela, uyabo. At least mina so kuya ngawe leyo nto leyo ibizwa kuthiwa i-caffeine intolerance, but sokhuluma nge-coffee, yeah. And then utshwala something engakazi mina ngayithinta ngabuthinta ka grade 7, it was a Christmas, no umlu, but angazi ngabuthinta because lapho saseyingane, and it was once, and angikhumbuli ngibugwini. So utshwala, how does that affect your sleep? I'm sure seniyazi nani. And then utshwala nama energy drink in particular, so kufaka endaweni eyodwa because into icishe ifane. For example, mawuhlala la engikhona njengamanje e-UK, if ufuna ukuthenga i-Red Bull for example, you have to be a certain age njengotshwala, uyabo. Awukwazi ungena esitolo vele uthole ufuna ukuthenga energy drink for example, ukuze ungene esitolo mawukuthi uthenga nje energy drink kumele kufike ucashier azokuchecka i-ID yakho, yabo. So same thing as utshwala, while mhlawumbe lokho kungenzeka eSouth Africa but la kuyenzeka. If ungangikholwa ngazi ke because angiwathenga ama energy drink, but mhlawumbe one day nawe uyozala hopefully and say hi, and then uyobona ukuthi awukwazi ukuthenga energy drink ngaphandle kwani na kwe-ID njengotshwala. So yilo zinto zo, we're just going to cover 5 things. Hopefully mase kuthiwa lezi zinto zozo-apply mfethu, in particular mase kuthiwa u-grade 12 manje uyoqala evasisi u-apply lezi zinto lezi. I promise you by the time uyoqeda i-degree yakho at year impilo yakho izobe sithe ukuba lulanyana kancane, but because the most izinto ezenza ukuthi mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi uba nenkinga is because of lezi zinto eziyi-foundation thola ukuthi awunazo gcina usufika ka-30 usuney'nkinga ey'ningi kakhulu but asikho lapho today so soqala ngani-ke so first one soqala ngama-stages start ngama-stages because this is the most important thing and when sikhuluma ngama-stages ngathini you don't have to know abagama awo ngihleze ngibatshela because sometimes lama talks we have no grade 12 during my mentorship program like akubalekile ukuthi ama stages amagama awo ayini yabo but if uthanda you can read up on ama stages ngoba ngisho like organization American Sleep Association very good data bani data eningi thousands and thousands of people they collect lento ama sleeping studies for many years so they have thousands of data but for this purpose for this video just know what's our 4 ama stages they are just 4 stages. Yeah, there are just 4 stages. So just know that, for this video. And kulama stages awu 4 mfethu. For you ukuthi ulale kahle uyacyclisha kuona, So ufika ukuthi 1 2 3 4 and then uqale phansi uyabo. So shusi ushaya round singasho kanjalo thina ke esakhula hey ufike late ejimini ambosha ama round kwakushubile so kusho ukuthi ushaya round yabo njengoba ngidwebile la I'm sure niyabona njengoba ngidwebile ngathi groundini nasegroundini masifike late kwakusho njalo so guys no awushaya noma ama round awu 10 noma awu 15 but kwakunjalo nje so now ushaya round so kumele ucycle kula stages ofona ushaya 1 cycle usually so sekuyadependa ke manje ukuthi wenze how many cycles wena kusho wenze how many rounds usalele so kusho so thini kusho kungenze kula le 1 cycle kungenze kula le 2 cycles kungenze kula le 3 kungenze kula le 4 kungenze kula le 5 kanjalo usually mina I aim ukuthi njalo engayijwayeza ukuthi ngi aim around 4 uyabo because u4 I feel like in the middle uyabona nto ke bethe between 6 and 9 hours abaye bathi 7 ukulala mina I just aim around 4 cycles cause uphani nendawo yabo I feel like mangiyangala I feel stressed engathi angirestanga kahle mangilale kakhulu ngifile ngathi ngikhathele I'm sure kuyabenza abaningi benu lokho makwalala kakhulu ufile ngathi ukhathele ngale lesimanga leso so ingakho I aim for 4 each cycle is about 90 minutes 90 minutes 90 minutes low football game as well so each cycle is about 90 minutes so 90 minutes 1 cycle blah 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 but lokho akubalekile kakhulu njengamanje ukubalekile ukuthi wena just know ukuthi mawulala awuvela usugcinesa that's number 1 number 2 khona ama stages number 3 ukuze ube well rested umzimba wakho usuyakwazi ukuthi mawungena ku7:45 ngakusasa ufike ukwazi ukuconcentrate without needing energy drink without needing coffee kumele lama cycles lama stages awu 4 washaye mhlawumbe waphinda kaninganyana phela yilokho kumele ukwazi namhlanje anamagama awo lama stages but lokho akubalekile so khona izinto ezenzakalayo ke why kubalekile ukuthi lama cycles so ngitheni awu 4 ama cycles so into ebalekile la ngama cycles ukuthi even if khona abantu especially emakhaya ethu osespace nobhuti bethu noma bethu uthola ukuthi umuntu uzolala 10 hours or alala isikhathi eside but uthola ukuthi still uvuka akhathele noma adelele emini still uvuka akhathele so into eyenzakalayo when it comes to lama cycle lawa abafowethu or lama stages lawa yabo ake sisweni uyalala manje mhlawumbe usha 1 2 3 4 kanjalo shaya cycle eyodwa mhlawumbe usuyarawunda kube khona ekuphazamisayo mhlawumbe lesibili si 1 2 3 so kuchaza ukuthi you didn't complete the cycle so ngisho ngathi ulele for 10 hours or more. If uvuke in the middle of a cycle, uzovuka ukhathele. If makuthi angazi noma sukayibuza lo mbuzo ukuthi how indaba uthola ukuthi ulale isikhathi eside but uvuka usukhathele. I think answer yakho usuyithole namhlanje. So into ebalekile ukuthi ngisho ungalala 10, ungalala 20 hours, ungalala for how long. Make wavuka wena uthola ukuthi in the middle of a cycle, mhlawumbe ushaya stage 1 2, section to stage 4 uzovuka ukhathele noma 1. So into ebalekile ukuthi it's not the quantity of isikhathi osilalayo, akuyona quantity, is quality into ebalekile. Uyabona nto le. Ile nto yenza ukufundisa wona today. But kubalekile ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi mangase lento le it is a very complicated topic but ngizama ukwenza ibe simple. Just complete wonke ama cycles yabo. And then kuzoba right. If ungashwayela angazi ngichaza kanjani, but it's a very complex thing that has a lot of research backing. Lots of abantu abahlezi bestudisha abantu bebuza abantu benzani. So just bear with me. Ngizame ukuyichaza lento le. Okay. So ime kanjena ke lento le. Eke sithi wena now ke satha ama hour manje. How many hours do you need to sleep for a certain number ukuze ukwazi ukuthi wakhave kahle lama cycles lawo? Mhlambe mina ngathi angazi kuwena vele mina I think if mase kususwa kabuka ama member vedami uzokhumbula ukuthi vele I'm not a fan of cross nighting, because I don't believe ukuthi cross nighting is sustainable over a long term. For me to get to a PhD, the only thing I did was to promise myself that I will not cross nights. I will try as much as possible not to sacrifice my sleep, but I did cross nights. Especially when I was doing a 4th year, I think we didn't sleep on Friday because we had my case studies. But all 4th year because we research and clinical practice. Kuhlukile noku-attenda undergraduate uyabona nto leyo. So keep that in mind in case nayina ngibona etenisini ngihlezi ngibuya ekseni. It was 4th year sasingafundi sasenza ama case study bafethu. So that is a different beast on its own, but this is a story for another day. Just a disclaimer. Yabo ngazi ngiqhamuka umuntu la ama comment athi but siyakhumbula wena ukuthi especially ngabo Fridays sasikubona usubuye ekseni uzogeza uzohamba. It was clinical studies, it was clinical cases. It wasn't studying. So what I found, say 90 minutes angithi without you having to do ama calculations. If ufuna ukulala mhlawumbe ufuna ukucyclisha ka 4, so what you need to do ukuthi uzolala mhlawumbe minimum ngathi mina 3 cycles ukuze mfethu ngempela you are pressed for time, uyabo. Ngasho ngithi mina minimum at least kodwa zama ukushaya noma 3 cycles ukuze ukwazi ukuthola angithi 90 minutes each one. So kuchaza ukuthi kumele ulale 4.5 hours at least. I will say minimum. I will say anything under 4.5 hours whereby mhlawumbe usuya kuma 2 or 1 cycle, I would say I ngeke so we cross nighting because just 1 round or 2 rounds I say we cross nighting mfethu le. So I will say mhlambe ekese uyabona ukuthi uya press for time but ufuna ukuthi umzimba wakho ube right ube well rested, uyabo. This is a trick lo ongayenza because if uzokwenza shonje usha 3 especially become accounting masebenza 4th year so sekushubile. So ungenza u3 uzokunika almost the same energy because mawukhave kahle u3 uzovuka refreshed, uyayibona lento le. But inkinga iba sekutheni masusuka uvuthathe lo wenza 5 hours angithi yabo manje ukuthi le cycle isiphele iqalenye seku 5 hours usuzoba nenkinga. So number 1 lo. Number 2 I would say do njenga mina into engiyenzayo and lento le I've been doing it since my undergraduate. I think from mhlambe 1st year I discovered it early and then I've been doing it for a long time. Mina ngiyenza 4 cycles okuchaza ukuthi ngilala 6 hours. Yabo, if uzobona my previous videos uzokhumbula ukuthi mina ngathi ngilala ngo12 ebusuku ngivuke ngo6. So lethi ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibe nesikhathi sokuthi ngiattende u7:45 regardless ukuthi ngihlala kephi. Manje ngivuka ngo6 because kumele ngiye esipanini. Uyabo lonto leyo. So kumele ngigeze, ngigqoke, ngiphinde ngikwazi ukuthi ngiye esipanini. So that's why ngivuka ngo6, but lo 6 lo qala ngamanje sengisebenza. Into yangiqala ngise undergraduates because sa undergraduates ngangiphinde ngihambe ngiyolokhuzana ngiyo-attenda. Mina ngangu-attend u7:45 khona abanye abantu engangibebezwe bethi u-attend u7:45, but is wonke umuntu I guess university iloko ukuthi I guess izinto eziningi zigcina sezizandleni zakho. Hopefully labantu ababengitshela kanjalo they are doing well in life. So sidluleke lapho ake sisi, especially for laba besimama amantombazane, because ngihlezi ngitshela grade 12 ngisimina, because at least lesikhumba sabo kumele sibe right. Uyabona lonto leyo, yonke lonto leyo mhlambe you could say girls bengakwazi ukuthi bephushe to 5 cycles. U5 cycles ubani u7 and a half hours. No, 7.5 hours, not 8. Once wadlula 7.5 hours because it's 90 minutes each. Once wenza u8 ogcwele kusho uchaza ukuthi ubusuke qala enye cycle la ongeke uyiqede. Uyayibona lonto le. Once wadlula ku7.5 mfethu, the only thing esisele lapho ukuthi kumele wenze bani u9 hours. Now ukuze ngenze example nje u9 hours khona ngizokukhombisa ukuthi how indaba u9 hours angikholwa usikhona umuntu ongawenza, because chaza ukuthi ngo9 hours kusho wena kumele ulale ngobani ngo9 ukuze ukwazi ukuvuka ngo6 ugeze wenza yonke into ukwazi ukuyo-attend or uye emsebenzini. Uyayibona lonto le. So if ubheka ke bancane abantu especially this day and age abalala ngo9. Very few. But if ufuna ukwenza u5 hours for example ulo u7.5, I think it's reasonable wona ngoba kumele ulale ngo10:30. Again, there's a colleague of mine here at London Metropolitan University. Sasikhuluma ngani noma ngecoffee ukuthi which we're going to talk about. She was like, "Uba hola la ngo10." Actually khona futhi ukuthi especially ko university ukuthi kube khona umuntu olala ngo10, but if ufuna ukwenza 7.5 ulala ngo10, if ungakwazi ulala ngo10 then choose the next one ngo10:30, the next one ile ya12 choose uzokwenza 6 cycles. Mawukuthi awukwazi ukwenza lokho then ungazama ukuthi ulale ngo1:30. That is the absolute minimum. Yabo ngoba I believe ngempela masuzolala 2 or 1 cycle this is borderline cross nighting, which there's nothing wrong with it. Now ungayenza first, ungayenza ulale 90 minutes ulale 120 minutes. Yabo ungakwenza but for me angiholo ukuthi kunga counter ezokulala lokho. Mhlawumbe ngacounter ngecount ezinepho but usually ke ngithi mina mhlambe at least mfeso aim for anything between 3 and 5, but just be aware ukuthi mawufuna ukulala 9 hours kuzomela ulale ngo9 ebusuku. I believe ukuthi lokho kunzima ngoba ngisho ingane encane ayilali ngo9 ebusuku. But kukuwena mina I can't say anything. So number 1 lo very complicated topic, but I hope uzokwazi ukuthi ubambe mfethu. Ilula kakhulu. Is it easy? We don't know, but siyadlula manje ku number 1, siyakephi ku number 2. Okay, siyaqhubeka. Number 2 manje sikephi ke manje sise ekutheni there is nothing worse than when umzimba wakho uzama ukuresta and then isisakho sazama ukugaya ukudla awukade ukudla. If ukubona mfethu makuthi mhlawumbe ke sisudle kakhulu ubone ngathi usuyakhathala, uzwe ngathi ngathi ungalala usuke ngekulala. It's just that ukugaya ukudla uthatha a lot of energy, uyayibona lonto leyo. So ingakho usuzizwa kanje usuzulala lokho esingasho ukuthi mhlawumbe quantity hayi equality, so into ebalekile ke la ukuthi when it comes to food kumele wenze sure ukuthi mfethu you do not eat closer to bedtime. Indaba na ungafuna ukudla closer to bedtime because uzothi usuqala lama cycles lawa ama sleep cycles ushaya sleep cycle 1 umzimba wakho kodwa uthola ukuthi kunzima ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ungene kahle egeni lokulala because ubhizi uyadigest uzama ukwehlisa blood sugar makudigestwa mfethu kuyagaywa kwehlisa blood sugar kuhlwanyiswa acid kwenziwa izinto eziningi esiswini uyayibona lento le. This is not a nice combination. Umzimba wakho ufuna ukuthi mase usufuna ukurest angeke sifuna ukuthi thina ulale and then you wake up well recovered. So sifuna ukufocus on quality. Asifuni ukuthi umzimba wakho ube khona ezinye izinto ozenzayo. Sifuna usufocus just on leyo nto leyo which is resting uyayibona lento leyo. So into ama advice maningi kodwa nawe phela mfowethu kumele nawe uphinde uzama ukuyibheka wena ukuthi okay mina uma ngidigesta kuhamba kanjani yabo am I slow digest am I fast digester ngiyahlafuna nokudla ngendlela eright or ngivele ngithi nje ngithi ayikogaya zonke lezi zinto ze account ngiyaphuza amanzi yabo ukuthi ukusheshe kugaya eswini everything angidli izinto eqine kakhulu mhlawumbe sengifuna ukushaya inyama yokosa sengizolala into eqinile engazi kahle ukuthi nasesiswini isazothi kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi igaye uyayibona izinto ekanjalo. So zonke lezi zinto usayize ngudlayo umngakanani but usually into recommended ukuthi mabebuka le macwaningo ucwaningo lezi zinto lezi kushuthi bake bethi mhlambe 3 hours before sleeping ungabe usadla lutho uyayibona lonto le wenzelani na wenze ukuthi usebenzise lo 3 hours lo ukuthi ugaye ukudla kahle ngoba ekese usuyaqala ke manje usuyalala sifuna ukuthi ngesesuqala ukulala umzimba wakho ubone okay manje I'm resting and then uyalala asifuna ukuthi uthi umzimba wakho I'm resting or ngenzani but still uthola ukuthi wena usafuna kusamela ugaye so ngeke ukwazi ukuthi uzolokhu uhlele ku stage 1 for example la wazi ukuprogressa to stage 2 stage 3 kanjalo ngoba is a progression uqala kanje udlule yayibona lonto le. So the deeper you sleep the more you progress lama stages uzoqala phansi ku 4 ku 5 ku4 and then you start afresh because akusele no 5 uqala enye cycle manje ku1 but especially lawa khona eyodwa like to deep sleep yabo deep sleep wona ke lo balekile ngoba ila umzimba wakho rest yakhona the most uyayibona lonto le la amanye REM oba basuke bekuyisa la ku deep sleep. So awazi ukuya ku deep sleep wena uthola ukuthi usakana nokudla esiswini umzimba wakho usadigest blood glucose basaphezulu benza lana so kubalekile so 3 hours before mawukuthi umfethu uyabona ukuthi mhlawumbe khona ngathi siso kodwa 3 hours usulokhu uzile mhlawumbe ungenza noma i light snack yabo ungavele mhlawumbe nje ke sisi nje usukela uphuthu ku 3 yabo mawusukela uphuthu mfethu mhlawumbe nenyama yokosa uyabo uyabona ukuthi yabo ukudla wangempela lokho spoon so obvious kuzothi kumele ulale uthola ukuthi uyalala impela but we wake up awukho well rested uyayibona lento le. So yilokho kubalekile kakhulu ekudleni so but lokhu ku dependent kumuntu so nawe kumele uzame ukuyifunda wena ukuthi wena umuntu onjani uyayibona lonto le nokuthi ebusuku ikakhulukazi uzama ukuthi imfeso uzama ukwenza extra chewing ukuhlafuna so that uzokwazi ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ukudla kugayeke ngendlela right by the time you are sleeping uyamzimba wakho uyabona ukuthi hayi no lo muntu lo uready ukuthi uyalala they are prepared then you can go through all the stages uyabona stay ahead but there are some bonus things engizomela ngizisho mhlambe towards the end of this video so you might as well uzama ukuthi ngempela unganyamalali ngoba akekho umuntu ozohlala kanje nawe akutshele lento le. So number 1 just know ukuthi it's not about quantity it's about quality and then kulo quality leyo ungazama nawe ukuthi ubheke ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ulale optimally uzama ukuthi ama-hour akho calculate uyayibona lento le njengoba dingisho nje ukuthi njengami nje for example mina ngilala ngo12 ngivuke ngo6 because ngiyazi ukuthi ngizothola ama-cycle amangaki awu4 uyabo agcwele ngiyazi ukuthi mangivuka ngo6 chaza bese ngiqale enye icycle so chaza ukuthi manje ngisuke sengazi ukuthi okay yabo namhlanje ngoba ngenze kanje ngizovuka ngikhathele ngingazama ukuthi okay into engizama ukuyenza mangibona sengivele ngaphaphama mhlambe 6:30 ngiyabuyela empedeni ngize sengifuna ukucover bani manje sengifuna ukushaya 7.5 hours sho sichaza ukuthi sesingishayile isikhathi but sengizo add another full cycle even though lokho akukho accurate ngempela ngoba phela ngisuke sengibreakile ipattern uyayibona lonto leyo so sometimes futhi akukho lula ukuthi just come back ulale but at least ngisuke ngizama ukuthi yabo ngiminimize impact ngingabe sengathi then sibuye size ku number 3 mfethu sesikhuluma ngeliquid manje masikhuluma ngeliquid sikhuluma ngani sikhuluma ngamanzi juice even mouse wileze iphuzu ubisi omzwandile nxumalo into ezayishaya ubisi zina 18 so lezi zinto lezi so if sikhuluma ngeliquid manje sikhuluma ngamanzi into ebalekile ngeliquid mfethu ukuthi kumele uzame ukuthi wena uyibheke wena ukuthi okay your bladder ikwazi ukubamba kangakanani and lento le is very tricky because even nami lento iyangishaya like the other day ngiyabona ukuthi okay kuse u9 sho sichaza ukuthi hayi 10 11 12 ngino 3 hours hayi ngayishaya iclass egcwele uyabo ngayishaya iclass egcwele amanzi hayi ngathi hayi no vele ngiyazi before ngilale ngiyachama ngenzela ukuthi uyabo 10:02 I think anginakanga isikhathi 10:02 ekseni yabona so I wake up sekumele ngihambe ngiyochama and then lapho sengiyazi ukuthi hayi inkosi yami ukulala kwami lokhuzana ama stages wami asonakele kanjalo uyayibona nto so kubalekile ukuthi one uyazi ibladder yakho ukuthi wena okay ihamba kanjani two zama phela nawe ukuthi uyifundise uyicontroller uyayibona nto obladder aba trainable uyabo uyacontroller but usually mina nje is very controllable but sometimes if I get it wrong mhlawumbe ngivela ngiphuza something kanti sengizolala mhlawumbe I'm not gonna get enough time filter through a system before ngilale then sometimes ngiyaba nalezo inkinga lezo futhi many people baba nalezo inkinga lezo so you have to be aware nakhona usually into ebeke beyisho bathi mhlawumbe 2 hours before ulale you should rethink indaba yama liquids uyayibona lonto le I think u2 to 3 you should rethink indaba yama liquids but ku dependa kuwena as an individual ukuthi wenza kanjani ama liquids if njengathi nje uyakwazi uyicontroller mhlambe kungcono but khona abanye abantu ngempela uthola sabakwazi uyicontroller sibabone ngisho kuma lecture rooms uthola isikhathi kancane sekumele abaphume nani so kudependa kuwena but mina I usually try to make sure ukuthi and one of the things engiyenzayo edeskini lami ngiyisusa izinto ezamanzi nani uyayibona into le mase ngoba if kuseduze angithi ngizoba tempted mase ngiyayiphuza uyayibona into le so what I do ngiyekususa ngenzela ukuthi ngingabi tempted yabo akusekho lutho angithi then I just focus usually mina ke ebusuku because ngenza research I'm just doing my research yabo and then kule insuku lezi sengiphinde ngithene on the camera ngikhiphe microphone ngivulukhuza ama lights and then ngizama ukushusa because angikwazi ukuba se South Africa ukuthi ngikhulume nema mentees wami so ngizama ukuthi ngenze lezi zinto lezi so that ngikwazi ukuthi ngiqhubeke nokuthi ngibasize ngalezi zinto lezi okay so uyawazi manje ama cycles ukuthi asebenza kanjani awukaze wadla lutho 3 hours prior to you ukuthi ulale because I understand ukuthi when you digest kanjani uyabo sasulambile mhlawumbe usase light snack whatever angazi noma yogurt waphinde wenza sure ukuthi ama liquids uyawagada ngendlela esimangaliso in particular mase seku 2 to 3 hours before ulale konke into isihamba kahle manje yabo usuya prepareisha ukuthi you are going to sleep optimally which is what really this video is about but usufuna ukulala and then all of a sudden ubuthongo abufiki uyacimeza uyaphenduka abufiki so lapho kungenzeka ukuthi khona izinto njengo caffeine system yakho so i caffeine into yenza ukuthi kube sengathi mhlambe ke sisusu ufuna ukulala yenza isystem yakhe ibe awake uthola ufuna ukulala but yona ikwenza ukuthi ungalali ugcine uthola usuthi uyacimeza but akulaleki usually kubantu abayicontrola icaffeine mawuzivela uluphuza icoffee ngathi amanzi sometimes kuyenza ukuthi ugcine yasasebenza isystem yakho so it's like usuyi addict uyabo but kubantu abacontrolayo kubantu abayicontrolayo khona abantu vele futhi uthola ukuthi abakwazi ukuyiphuza at all makwaliphuza nje icoffee inhliziyo yakhe ishaya kakhulu so akasondeli kulona uyibona lento le so sonke sinama yini caffeine tolerance engafani but ake sizona caffeine tolerance enormal hayi awukho addicted futhi awukho highly sensitive uphana indawo njengabantu abaningi because I think ingxenye eningi iphana indawo with regards to icaffeine in particular. So how do you make sure ukuthi ke icaffeine ayi-affect ukulala kwakho? So ucaffeine number bani manje sikunumber bani siyagijima namhlanje sikunumber 4. So into ebalekile ngocaffeine ukuthi kuthi uhlala 8 to 10 hours in your system. Kahle kahle is more. But I guess it's for the purpose of this I guess it's 8 to 10 but it's more. Laba so bekhuluma nge-half life kahle hle. But purpose of this video asiso 8 to 9 hours so chaza ukuthini lokho nami mina for example ngisebenzisa kanjani lokho if mina because ngiyazi ukuthi ngizolala ngobani ngo10 angithi ngo12 I sleep ngo12 so if mina ngazi ulala ngo12 I make sure ukuthi if ngaliphuza ngecoffee la mhlawumbe between 12 and kwashaya u2 yabo kwashaya u2 shusi ngaliphuza ngo12 ngaliphuza ngo1 ngaliphuza ngo1 kwashaya u2 angeke ngisaliphuza ngoba manje usually ngokujwayelekile liyangitshela ukuthi no namhlanje you did not sleep ngendlela eright nomzimba mosukungitshela futhi but vele wash mase lekutshelile I think umzimba usuke ungasena choice usuzokutshela anyway uyayibona lento le so ilokho ke this is the most important thing ukuze ukwazi ukuthi by the time kushaya your sleeping time umzimba wakho is cleared icaffeine yonke kwisystem yakho or majority of it kumele wenze sure ukuthi uyayitime maye ke nje ngaliphuza ngo5 ngizolala mhlambe ngo3 ekseni unintentionally ngizobe ngifuna ukulala but ngekulaleke ngizothi ngilale ngo3 because this is how much it stays kwisystem yami but wena ke now ungayitracker makuthi unazo lezi zinto lezi ama smartwatch or you can just say okay ngiyazi ukuthi calculate ukuthi between 10 hours ubuthi wena ulala 10 hour take your sleeping time ubu 10 hours and then use that time as a standard until uze mhlambe ube nemali ne-interest ukuthi uthenga uma smartwatch ukuthi uyilokhuzana so ngabala manually uyayibona lento le in the meantime but if mawukuthi ngampela waba nalenkinga le ukuthi uphuza icoffee uzizwe ngathi awusalali ingoba kusuke sakwisystem yakho umzimba wakho uthatha isikhathi ukuthi uliclearish angazi bafethu ukuthi this is the isimple lento le enye into ebalekile ngecaffeine futhi ukuthi ngokomthetho there's a guy la wase Stanford University lo mshita lo is une podcast so bani professor Huberman Lab lo mshita lo ushama podcast 3 or 4 hours yabo so I would say if unesikhathi 3 or 4 hours ungamlalela but usually abaningi abantu abano 3 hours so some of the things he usually says mhlambe nami ngizophinda ngihighlight la when it comes to coffee mhlambe neti as well so into ebalekile ukuthi futhi ungaliphuzi kuthiwa ungaphuzi lutho ungaliphuzi kuthiwa uthi ithini ucwaningo 60 minutes to 90 minutes before waking up so just wait first why are you waiting you are waiting because usukufuna ukuthi umzimba wakho your natural processes yomzimba ukuthi ube awake uyayibona lento leyo because the more you delay the more impact yalo izoba uzoyifila uyayibona lento leyo sho kuchaza ukuthi into kuchaza ukuthi khona into kuthiwa afternoon crash ukuthi ufika uba ne-energy and then ntambama usuya crash sengathi usungayishaya phansi uyabo makuthi uyadelaya before wonke umzimba ama-natural processes omzimba akhicke in, then masoliphuza mhlambe 90 minutes or more later, kusho the more you delay basically the better. Njengami ingakho mina I delay until 12, kodwa futhi I don't want it to be too late, so ingakho ngo-2, if ngaliphuzanga ngo-2 I'm like phelile ngapi namhlanje, uyayibona lento le. So there's that balance le, yabo, because angifuni uliphuza eli kakhulu, because uma ngiliphuza eli kakhulu kuchaza ukuthi mhlawumbe ngizosishiya u5 sengikhathele, uyayibona lento le. But angifuni uliphuza late kakhulu, ngoba uma ngiliphuza late kakhulu sengifuna ukulala ngo-12 sengikhathele. So ibalance bafethu lento le. Izinto eziningi emhlabeni, yabo, ziyisintu, uyazenza nje ungacabanga, uyabona lo. But luckily khona abanye abantu ngempela bayithathayo lezi zinto, ukuthi umuntu impilo yakhe nje yonke research ukulala necoffee nokuthi liwuphatha kanjani umzimba. That's all they do, uyabona. And then mase bayashare lo lwazi nathi ngamaphepha, ama-academic papers, ingakho sigcina sesibe nale knowledge nama-podcast, ngoba amanye ama-scientists manje ayakwazi ukuthi ashaya ama-podcast. So wena kumele uphinde uyiqala phansi lento le, uyiphinde uyifunde. Just know ukuthi lento le ile, unless nawe ufuna ukwenza i-research in that area, yabo, of which I would recommend. But you can drink le-kuthiwa i-decaf. Mhlambe if kukuthi ngifuna something warm, I can drink i-decaf until mhlambe 8, yabo. Usually I don't have a problem, because na i-decaf inayo caffeine but incane, yabo, almost negligible, incane. So sometimes you can drink i-decaf mawukuthi ufuna i-coffee, uyabona ukuthi kulate, uyabo. So between 2 I can sometimes drink i-decaf, but my kwasha u2 i-coffee leli langampela, or the one without i-decaf, angisekho kulona. Yeah. Ilokho kubalekile. Okunye kubalekile futhi okubalekile ukuthi kuthiwani kulo 90 minutes lo, 60 to 90 minutes ekuseni mfethu, zama ukuthola i-morning umjito uhlezeke isho lento le uHuberman, i-morning sunlight is part of your body's biological clock. So kuchaza ukuthi mawuthola i-morning sunlight, first things in the morning uyaphuma ngaphandle uthole morning sunlight, your biological clock lapho kicks in, ibone ukuthi hayi lo muntu is awake. Ingakho lokho kwenza nina kwenza ukuthi ungathi uyafika ko7:45 noma u8:40 kwi-lecture 8:40 kusathi lala, yabo, ngoba i-system yakhe ayikho kaboni ukuthi usuvukile noma usulele yini, uyabona lento le. So le nto le i-morning sunlight, uHuberman uthini, uthi mhlambe noma u30 minutes, angazi mhlambe u10 to 30 minutes, yabo. Or you can buy LED. Mina into engiyenza ngivele plus the LED light in plus, because ngiyancane ukuphuma iminyango, but because I can as well. But morning sunlight, very important as part of your biological clock. So you've got morning sunlight, you've waited in fact as much as possible until you drink your coffee, and then you make sure ukuthi masushaya isikhathi so uyabona ngesaklelisha system yakho usaliphuza ngalelo langa lelo. You've got a caffeine covered. Usually I don't drink more than 2 cups a day, because if I drink 2 cups a day I feel like nami ngizogcina sengihamba ngibe kuyindlela yami yokuba ku-addict. So some people bethi hawo nje mina ngiphuza i-coffee mase ngiyalala. I'm like, yeah, because when usuke addict, if vele usuliphuza njengamanzi ngeke likwenze lutho. But mina I hope, mina inhloso yami yokuphuza i-coffee ukuthi kumele lingenze into i-coffee eliyenzayo, yayibona lento leyo. Angiliphuzeli ukuthi angazi, but ngiyathanda ukuthi mangiliphuza lenze lento le kumele liyenze. Make sense? Angazi. But next, so seku number 1 manje last one lokhu ke ko2. I think this is pretty obvious. I think wonke umuntu le uyayazi, if uphuza alcohol mfethu, in particular if inama energy drink konke, then your equality of sleep yakho izoba affected, yabo. again i-quality of sleep awuyikali ngama number of hours spend ucimezile, uyisikala ngalezi zinto ubani khona ezibizayo, khona ekuthiwa iwhoop oyikhokhela monthly, angazi ngisho how many pounds per month because sengila e-UK, but zona zi-more advanced yabo, and ukhokhela monthly or khona smart match or Apple blah blah blah, all of them ilapho ukwazi khona ukula. So mawuzothola ukuthi mina njalo mina mangiphuzile mfethu ngiyakwazi ukulala, ukhuluma ngequantity lo muntu, or just uyacimeza utshwala bunokha hours, but not ukuthi uzovuka well rested. In fact ingakho uzovuka nebalance because umzimba wakho uzovuka worse off, yabo, kube sengathi usuyagula, yayibona lonto le. So if ukuthi wena umuntu oyimisele ngokugoa forward elifeini, mhlambe especially kwizinto require i-brain power because kudingeka ukuthi ingqondo yakhe concentrate imisebenze kanjalo o academia njengoba ngihlezi ngikhuluma, then chaza ukuthi mhlambe you might have to rethink i-relationship yakho notshwala. Excuse me. And lento le yatshwala it has been very serious because khona umjida okhona la kwi YouTube, lo mjida lo ufuna ukuphila for uthini, usufuna ukuphila for 200 years, so wenza yonke into emandleni akho ukuthi akwazi ukuthi aphile isikhathi eside, uyabo. So lo mjida ubethanda iwine naye, so befuna ukubona ukuthi if mase kuthiwa okay cause uyabazi utshwala ukuthi okay vele unazo lezi zinto unemali, yabo. I think this guy spends 2 million per year kwi-health yakhe nje kuphela, uyabona nje. So uthi befuna ukubona ukuthi so i-trick yena ayizama ukuthi mase kuthiwa alithathe i-glass of wine angayiphuzi ntambama esezolala, yabo, cause uyazi vele ukuthi izomoshela ukulala, wayimove wazwayibeka ngo-11 emini, yabo, cause wenzela ukuthi i-system yakhe isole isikhathi eside ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi iclearish. And into ehamba wayithola wathola ukuthi ngisho athi uyibeke ngo-11 emini, kusho ngisho ngaphuza fese uvuke ngo-11, cabanga, still ntambama buzofika bukumoshele ukulala kwakho, uyayibona lonto le. So after that what decide ukuthi ayi ngisho ukuthi ulithanda kangakanani iwine, kodwa ngoba usafuna ukuthi afocus nakule ndaba yakhe ukuthi alale ngendlela right, wabona ukuthi kumele avela yeke kwalona ke iwine, uyayibona lonto le. So that was a huge lesson for me as well because angazi kodwa ngaphuza wine, angazi ngaphuza alcohol, non-alcohol blah blah blah, but it was a huge lesson because ngayibona effort ayenza, uyabo. Cabanga uzophuza mfethu ngo-11 just because ufuna ukubona ukuthi okay at least mase kuthiwa ngiyiphuza early umzimba usasikhazi, but still umzimba wathi no, uyabo. So kukwena ke mfethu, but usually mfethu mawukuthi ngampela usafuna ukuhamba especially for your brain power, I think i-recommendation you can research nawe mfethu, i-recommendation is utshwala buyakwenza ukuthi ungalali ngendlela right kuphela. Now you can research lokho, some abanye abantu bengathi common sense, but nawe ungazenzela, but usually ile consensus ukuthi akhambisani lezinto zo2. Energy drink into efanayo, energy drink is just mhlawumbe i-coffee angaze lenziweni, uyayibona into le. So kuchaza ukuthi just because kade ngithi mina i-coffee kumele siphuze one, mhlawumbe ungashaya 1 cup a day or 2 mawukuthi ufuna ukulala ngendlela right. Mawuza ufuna ukulala ngendlela right, vela unankinga wena noma vele usu part of labantu labengasho ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe alisabenzi lutho kakhulu, yabo, it's fine as well. But energy drink is also ibe i-coffee elithamzwa ngazi kangaki depending ukuthi which one, ngoba phela nama brand ayafana, khona amanye nani niyawazi ukwaziwa ukuthi hayi le, yabo. But izinto ezifanayo usually nama angisondele ku-energy drink, angazi ngasondela kuma-energy drink because of lokho, nokuthi when sasewezwile there was this company yazi ukuthi there was this company babefika ewezwile usually mhlawumbe ngama-exam kanje or mhlawumbe ngo-test week, kufika amantombazane yabo ama-model or something, befike bekunikeze but yazi because it was a marketing thing. I remember because mabekunikeza babefuna beyivule mase babengakunikeza ivaliwe yabo, because I think should babona ukuthi mabekunikeza ivaliwe ngeke uyiphuze then there ngenzeka ukuthi ulinde mhlambe mase uyiphuza late, and i-strategy sathi right because bazokunikeza namhlanje uyivule uyiphuza then there, because sivuliwe uzoyibeka uzoyenzani into sivuliwe uzohamba nayo i-rest ngeke uzoyiphuza then there, then ngakusasa ngithi mhlambe lesi next week bayabuye bakunikeza nangakusasa. So all of a sudden abanye abangani bami sebethi ish yazi ngisakwazi ukuphuza ngayilokhu zange energy drink, and then ilapho ngayibona khona ukuthi oh ingakho yabo, because otherwise why benikeza abantu for mahala yabona nto le. So from then that was my first year eWestville. Angikaze ngayiphuza. I think ema respect bayizama lo promotion, I don't know, but vele ngase ngisazi yabo, because khona abantu ngempela bathi angisakwazi ukuphuza ngaphandle kwe energy drink, angisakwazi ukufunda ngaphandle kwe energy drink, because shuthi labantu laba basebekuthathile bakudonsa bakwenza ube addicted. Angithi abasekho manje ukunika for free, shuthi sekumele wenze njani na uyayithenga, uyayibona loo nto le. So that was mhlambe a nice real life story of marketing, ukuthi how do people I think the same thing kuma drugs into efanayo bakudonsa ngo free until bebona ukuthi okay usu right lo muntu lo manje, and then lapho at that point ungenza noma yini naye le marketing bani I think into efanayo, but ngeke ngilisho igama kulaba abake bayibona leyo marketing campaign bayazi ukuthi uyiphi leyo company and I am a Red Bull I am maningi but story for when I guess no, I mean it's not story for another day because it's ngixoxile, but so if ukuthi ngempela uyibesele ngokuthi ube ne quality over quantity as well, I think the energy drink you probably ngeke ibe izinto engakusiza. Okay, sadlula ke manje. So just ukuthi recap kahle so that sizoba sonke on the same page. 4 stages mfethu awulali, 4 stages, and ukuze ukwazi ukushaya 4 stages kubalekile ukuthi ulale ikhathi right. Awazi ukulala 8 hours. Yes, either you can sleep 4.5, you can sleep 6, because lokhu kubalekile mhlawumbe ngeke ukwazi uyicalculate. You can sleep 8, 7.5, you can sleep 9. American unga-googlisha mawuthanda ugooglisha usleep calculator, then uzokwazi nawe calculator lezi zinto lezo ungazicabanga ukuthi hawo lo mfowethu lo uyatha ama calculations uyakwazi ucalculate sleep calculator. I think ngasho circadian rhythm or biological clock izovela ku Google, then you can calculate yourself uwabone lezi zinto lezi mawukuthi especially mawuhlabo usufuna usually mina say 3 mhlambe 4 mfethu right u5 mina mangilale 5 umzimba wami vele relax kakhulu yabo, so sekunzima for mina ukuthi ngifunde. I think ususicabanga ukuthi hayi lo mshito useyimillionaire yabona lo, so ngoba uyabona ukuthi hawo usevela helale ngo-10 kusho useyimillionaire sekurelax kakhulu, kanti mawu6 uyabona umzimba wami ukuthi lo mfowethu lo ngase usafuna ukuphusha yabona nto le, then uyangi-motivate ukuthi ngiphushe. So it's not difficult for me ukuthi ngiphushe, but I am partying ngo-9 mangalala more than 9 hours, which I did ngesesibuye vacation after December mhla ka-20. Ngivele kube ngathi angenzi lutho usuku lonke yayibona loo nto le. So usually ingakho-ke ngithi mina u6 hours which is about 4 cycles has worked for me, because wenza sure ukuthi I'm rested but angikho too relaxed ngokuthi umzimba wami wacabanga ukuthi hayi no mhlawumbe sengemillionaire or something like akusadingeki ukuthi ngivuke ngiphushwe yabona loo nto. That is sleep and zonke izinto ekumele ezibalekile kumele uhlangabezane nazo if ukuthi ufuna ukusleepa ngendlela e-right in terms of quality, but overall the most important thing as well ukuthi if ukuthi you choose isikhathi mhlawumbe lese you choose 1:30 ngoba ufuna just on the borderline of cross nighting, yes you choose 1:30 to 6 just stick to 130 to 6. Weekend no, we can stick to 130 to 6 because umzimba wakho if wazi ukuthi okay vele 130 to 6 isikhathi sakho yabo, then yonke into uyakhela around 130 to 6 uyabona nto leyo. So kuba lula ukuthi by the time ulala ukuthi ungene umuve kahle ama-stages because umzimba wakho uyazi uma ukuthi wena uyayishintsha iy'khathi zakho zokulala then umzimba wakho is not sure as well yabo. So ungathi usuyalala kuthiwa ama-stages lawo awusangeni kahle uvele uhlale ku-stage 1 yabo uyofika ku-stage 3 or 2 to 3 lona seyiwona lo resta kakhulu umzimba wakho yabona nto leyo. So kubalulekile ukuthi ube ne-routine and leyo routine leyo include weekends yabo, so lisho umzimba wakho mase usulala njengami yabo. Mina manje ngangena nje mhlambe angingeni phela ngo-12 exit mhlambe 10 to or quarter to, usually ngiyinika mo 15 minutes ngiyazi by ishaya u-12 uzobe sengilele yabo, ngoba vele umzimba usuyazi so ise-routine. This is another trick engicabanga ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi ingakusizwa yabo. So enye into engicabanga ukuthi engingayibona, angazi ngayibona abantu beyikhuluma izolo, ngeke ngaba nalowo umntwana obesikhuluma embabeni sobeshayo ngitshela ukuthi usefuna ucabanga ukushintsha imajor because she thinks she enjoys enye course engeyona imajor yakhe more than the one imajor yakhe economics and ne-major accounting. So sengimtshela nami ukuthi awuyazi nami I really enjoy psychology. I did psychology ka-first year as an elective yabona but angakwazi ukufikela kumina ukuthi ngize ngithi hayi no sengifuna ukwenza psychology yabona nto. So what I was trying to say was sometimes ngenzeka ukuthi u-enjoy i-major yabanye abantu yabo because you find it interesting but it does not mean now you need to change wena your own major most of the time unless ufuna ukuyishintsha nje, ufuna ukuyishintsha not because of you enjoy, because usazo usually ke sizinjengathi just ama-elective amaningi yabo. Khona nje umfowethu wayehlezi sitshela nge-industrial mathematics when I was in Westville as well. Wayenzani mshito angisakhumbula ukuthi wayenzani but he enjoyed it elective yabona nto leyo. It was an elective but wayehlezi ekhuluma ngayo yabo but it didn't change. So into engifuna ukuyenza with regards to lokho, so ngivele ngabona ukuthi okay mhlambe I can just go through my academic journey ever since of all the modules engawenza, how I felt, what mhlambe some of the things that happened. Because I think one of my highest marks was in biochemistry. I was bengitshela lo mentee lo. So mhlambe that is the next video. Ngizohamba and go through my whole academic journey.